With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, so today's question is, let P be point on parabola y square is equals to 4x, which is at the shortest distance from the center S of a circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 16y plus 64 is equals to 0. This is what the circle. Let Q be the point on circle dividing the line segment SP internally. Then what is the answer? So let's make a figure. This is what is your axis. So you can say that this is what is your parabola. Let this be your parabola. And this is what is y square is equals to 4x. This be a point on the parabola, which you can say that this is something tangent, or you can say that this is what, and this is what we have a circle in it. This be a point that is let t square 2t, and this is what a circle whose coordinates will be 2, 8. This is what is S. That is center of circle is S. You can say that S is what 2, 8. So let any point P, that is t square 2t, this is what is here. Let take this point, and this is what is origin. So this is 0, 0, and this is the point on the parabola. Let take any point t square 2t on parabola. As we know that the shortest distance between two curves lie among their common normal. So you can say that the shortest distance between two curves lie among normal. So the common normal will pass through center of the circle. In which this common normal pass through the center of the circle. So you can say that the slope of normal to parabola, that is y square is equals to 4x at p is equals to t, that is 2t minus 8 divided by, that is this 2t minus 8 divided by 2t square minus 2, that is t square minus 2 is equals to minus of t. So t cube will be what? 8, and t is what? 2. That is p comma will be what? 4, 4. So p point will be 4, 4 from here. Now if you want to find SP length, the length of SP, then it will be what? It will be 4 minus 2 the whole square, because this point will be now 4, 4. This is 4 minus 2 square plus this 4 minus 8 square. So this will be what? This is something 2 root 5. So if you want to say that equation of normal at P 4, 4, then it will be y is equals to 2x plus 12, where x-intercept will be what? X-intercept is equals to 6. This is what is x-intercepts. Now this is what is x-intercept, that is equals to 6. Now second thing is what? Slope of tangent. So slope of tangent at Q will be what? This is slope of normal, so the slope will of tangent at P, that is equals to slope of tangent at P, that is slope of tangent at P, which is 1 by 2. So third thing will be what? SQ divided by PQ, that will be 2 by 2 root 5 minus 2, which is nothing but 1 by root 5 minus 1 by dividing 2. So we have root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 by rationalization. So what we need to find? That circle dividing the line segment SP internally. So here what is SP? That is circle dividing this what is internally the ratio. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.